Hi, welcome to Countryman Haynes. This is our Mini Countryman SD, so it's a diesel version. Pretty good news, these round dart parts. Just came in this morning, so had it valeted and put up for sale. There we go. So we will need to do a couple of wheels on it as usual, but it's in really nice condition for the miles and has got a really good spec. There's your twin exhausts. Awesome looking cars, these. Proper lot of car for the money. So this one has got there's the boot, and this one's got the full leather, gravity leather inside in black. It is the manual, piano black inserts. Really nice condition for the age of miles. We've got heated seats. There is media pack, multifunction steering wheel. As always, all the specification will be on the advert. John Cooper Works tread plates there. It's John Cooper Works steering wheel. There we go. We do accept part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to www.countrymanhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.